Hey guys, we've done gadget mystery boxes, we've done travel mystery boxes, heck, we've even done food mystery boxes. But today is special because today we have a $100 or 5,000 peso Funko Pop mystery box. Let's go! Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are going to announce the mechanics for the Realme 3 smartphone raffle this weekend. But before you can even join, you have to be subscribed to the channel, you have to hit the notification bell, and you have to follow me on Instagram. So go do all three now and watch out for the mechanics when I drop it this weekend. Big Boy Toy Store is one of my all-time favorite geek and toy shops in the Philippines. I've actually known the owners ever since I was, I think, in high school or college, and I've been shopping at their store for the longest time now, ever since I got into toys and collectibles, and especially now that I'm into Funko Pops. So you can only imagine my glee and excitement when I found out that they were doing Funko Pop mystery boxes. So this is the 5,000 peso or $100 Funko Pop mystery box. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this, and then we're going to use the Funko Pop app that we have installed on my phone to be able to see the overall market value or trading value of the pops inside this box. I am praying and hoping that it is above, of course, $100 or 5,000 pesos. Let's get started. As with all of our unboxings, we have our trusty off-white Nike toolkit with our off-white Nike X-Acto knife because the boxes do come taped up, and we want to make sure that we do a good job in opening them. By the way, it does come in two boxes, so these two boxes are filled with Funko Pops, and I did pay like 5,000 pesos for both of them combined. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see, it is your typical Funko labeled box. Not like a lot of print, it just has a bunch of text written all over it. But please take note that whatever is written on the text of the box doesn't necessarily mean that's what the Funko Pops that you guys get inside. Because it says here Overwatch. Clearly this, well, I really am not sure, but hopefully this isn't Overwatch. So let's take our knife and let's start cutting. We have the first box open, so let's flip this up and take a look at the Funko Pops inside. So I'm seeing three pops, one which is like two pops inside one box, and two other smaller Funko Pops. Let's check them out one by one. Again, we have our Funko Pop app, so we just put in the name of the Funko Pop and it should say the market value of the app. So let's get started, guys. We have a dual pop setup. This is Captain Marvel versus Chun-Li. So obviously it is from the Marvel versus Capcom Infinite game. So you have Captain Marvel in her, wow, really kick-ass, what looks to be like a, I don't know, red jacket and her aviator glasses, and you have Chun-Li over there wearing some sort of like jumper with a really nice, well, short shorts. So this is the first one, Captain Marvel versus Chun-Li, Marvel versus Capcom Infinite. Let's take a look at the value of this pop right now. Okay, so I just took a look. This Captain Marvel versus Chun-Li pack actually trades for $8 or a little over 400 pesos. That's the first pop that we have in the mystery box. Let's get to the second pop. We have Colossus from the X-Men. This character is actually one of my favorite characters in the recent Deadpool movies because he's just so funny, especially when he went up against Juggernaut. That was a really kick-ass fight scene. But anyway, guys, let's again go back to the app and take a look at how much this pop costs. Colossus Funko Pop from Deadpool sells for $7, a little over 350 pesos. We are now up to like around 750 pesos, around 800 pesos. Not really encouraging, but let's keep going. Let's get to the third pop inside the box. We have Agent 13. This is from Captain America Civil War. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is the kick-ass agent together with Black Widow who took on like Bucky or the Winter Soldier in that already iconic scene where you had Tony Stark, you know, try to block the gunshot from the Winter Soldier with his limited armor just on his hand. Even used it as some sort of like flashbang and like sonic blast to disorient Bucky or the Winter Soldier. But anyway, let's take a look at how much this particular pop costs. Agent 13 clocks in at $7, around 350 pesos, or a little over 1,100 pesos already. Let's keep going with the second box. Now this box better be worth it because we are still like a far, far away from the 5,000 peso target for this mystery box. So let's keep on going. We have 3 items inside this box. So let's get started with the second box. First up, woo, wow! Okay, I did not expect this at all. I think this is like the most expensive thing in the mystery box. This is the Thor with Stormbreaker. This is the glow-in-the-dark Funko Pop. So as you guys can see, his eyes are glowing with the lightning. You have the Stormbreaker in his hand. Obviously, this is from Avengers Infinity War. And wow, this is an Asia-exclusive glow-in-the-dark limited edition Funko Pop. I know that this is pretty expensive. If I'm not mistaken, this should be around $80 in trading value. But let's take a look at the app. So according to the app, Thor with Stormbreaker, this is the Asia exclusive glow-in-the-dark, trades for $90. So that's a little over 4,000 pesos, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there, 4,400, 4,000, around 200. So if you add that up, we are now well over 5,000 pesos already in trading value. We're a little over, I think, maybe around 5,000, I don't know, 200, 5,300 pesos. So we're already well above the 5,000 pesos that we paid for the mystery box. Let's keep going. Let's get to the second item. We have Hulk from Avengers Endgame. So as you guys can see, you have Hulk over there in his massive green form with the suit that they wore during Endgame. Now, I won't talk about Endgame so that there are no spoilers, but you guys definitely have to watch it. It is a kick-ass 3-hour movie. Now, this one actually doesn't have data on the market value on the app. So I'm just going to assume that this sells for around 500 pesos or $10, which brings us up to around 5,700 pesos already in the total value of the mystery box that we have with us. Let's keep going. There's one more Funko Pop inside the mystery box. And the last item is, of course, something to really make you remember, well, Endgame and even Avengers Infinity War. We have Thanos. This is in the metallic green color. As you guys can see here, this is Thanos with his bald head, with his sleeveless tank top like armor, the one that he actually wore when he was collecting the Infinity Stones during the Infinity War movie. And this one is a metallic version, a special edition pop. And this one doesn't really sell a lot. For a total value, I think, yeah, just check the app. It sells for $11, a little over 550 pesos, which brings our grand total, if you add it all up, to somewhere around 7,000 pesos. So we paid around $100 or $90 for it, and the total value that we ended up getting for the overall box is well over 140, 150 US dollars. So it's around a little less than 50% in terms of overall trading value that you get for the pops inside the mystery box. Now we have a few more items inside the box that I want to share with you guys. We have this Big Boys Toy Store sticker that definitely looks really cool. We have some sort of like bingo card. I have no idea why there is a bingo card, but we have a free bingo card that you can probably use to play at the Mabuhay Educational Center in Quezon City. And we have a Big Boys, I don't know what this is. It looks like a mystery card with like a, I don't know, like a gold signature on it. I'll have to stay tuned for the official announcement to see what this is actually all about. But I will definitely keep this in my wallet until they announce, because I'm really curious as to what this is. So let's do one last quick roundup before we end the vlog. We have Thanos in the metallic green color, the limited edition one. We have Hulk from Avengers Endgame. We have Thor, the most expensive one in the entire box. This is the Asia exclusive glow-in-the-dark one. We have Agent 13 from Captain America Civil War, one of my favorite Marvel movies from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. We have Colossus from X-Men Deadpool. And lastly, we have Captain Marvel versus Chun-Li from the Marvel Gamerverse. So everything again combined, guys, is a little over 7,000 pesos. So do I recommend buying the Marvel, or I don't know, like the Marvel mystery box from Big Boys Toy Shop? Well, if you are a collector, or if you are a aspiring collector, and you're just getting into the hobby, it would be nice to buy one mystery box, because the overall value of what you get exceeds the amount of money that you pay. So if you are just about to get into it, this is the best way to get into it, especially if you are into Marvel. However, if you're already like a hardcore collector, especially with Marvel, chances are you probably have like already most of what's inside the box. So that probably isn't like the best way to go. However, if you are a collector of other lines, let's say you collect like me, I collect Dragon Ball, and I want to expand my collection into the Marvel Universe, this is a great way to enter into the collection, mainly because you get like a rare piece like the one that I ended up getting, which is the Thor. And again, the overall value of what you get compared to what you paid for is higher. So it's a great entryway for people who want to get into Funko Pop collecting for the Marvel Universe. Guys, that's actually it for the vlog. If ever you are thinking of doing some serious toy or geek shopping, make sure that you check out the Big Boys Toy Store over at Greenhills Mall. Well, they have a branch actually over at Mall, but their bigger branch is over at Shoppesville 3rd floor. So make sure that you guys pay them a visit if you are looking for Funko Pops or other collectibles. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.